Hi, my name's Danielle, and I'm a manufacturing technician for Applied Diamond. I'm in the single crystal department. What we do over here is we polish a lot of different types of diamonds that are grown in different ways. They could be natural or lab grown. Um, what we're in charge of doing is making precision uh, dimensions for these diamonds to whatever specification that an employee or a distributor or a customer would want us to give them. So, for example, right here we have a natural, and you can't really see it because it's on the plate, but it's clear. It's polished on the first side and the second side. So now we're doing the second side and we're going in for the final polish. We have to get this down to a very, very thin measurement. So we measure in microns. Um, 30 microns is about the width of a human hair, so it's very thin. We want to get this at 20. And the way that we measure it is we use this equipment here. It's called a Filmetrics. And it's going to tell us based off of the light that passes through this fiber. We're going to come around here with the fiber, and we're going to sit it right on top of our sample, and then we measure what we see on the screen. And right now it looks to be at 31.59 or 68, roughly 31 microns. See, and it's just that little light. And basically when I came onto this job, I had little to no experience whatsoever. But I've always been hands-on. I've always liked to, work with my hands. I've actually worked with spectrophotometers and fluorometers before, so I'm kind of familiar with how this works. And basically, I just apply whatever I've learned from my previous experiences and jobs to this right here. And really, anything that you pick up in any job, you can apply to any occupation. So it's really cool that I get this opportunity, and I get to work with some great people. And I don't know, it's just something that it's a niche job that I really found interesting and has fulfilled a lot of my needs for a role. So